Ever since I was a kid, I've always enjoyed playing chess. A while ago, I decided to 3D print my own chess set. It turned out great, and I've been using it ever since. The pieces were designed by Go3D and the chessboard by Rockman. They're really good at creating models. It's a great set, and it does exactly what it's supposed to. But every time I look at it, I felt like something was missing. It was just black and white. A little too plain. I wanted something with a bit more personality. So I started looking through different websites, hoping I would find a fantasy-themed chess set. There were plenty of interesting designs, but none of them really matched the idea I had in my head. So instead of using someone else's project, I decided to create my own. To make that possible, I used Meshy AI. Let's start with the chessboard. To create a model in Meshy, we can use the image to 3D, batch images, or text. For the chessboard, I will go with the image created by ChatGPT. Now paste the image, select the appropriate AI model, and click Generate. I decided to make garden gnomes the main theme of my arrangement. After a few seconds, an ordinary photo turns into a printable model. The chessboard turned out beautifully, with intricate decoration all around and charming little mushrooms that perfectly complement the forest-inspired theme. Now let's download the model we created in STL format and import it into the Bamboo Studio. At this point, I resized the model, then assigned different filament colors to the individual parts and prepared everything for printing. It took me a little bit of time, but I knew it would be worth it. The model is ready, it's time to print it. The printing itself took a while, but seeing the finished board gradually take shape was definitely worth the wait. Let's replace the old chessboard. I really like how the small mushrooms and leaves add character without making the board feel too busy. It still looks like a chessboard, just one that belongs somewhere deep inside a fantasy forest. Now that the board was finished, it was time for the pieces. For this part, I switch over to Meshy's new 3D agent. Instead of creating every model from scratch, I simply described the kind of chess pieces I wanted. The agent responds and asks for additional details. I choose the geometric faced gnome style and set the color palette to earthy natural. The agent now creates the concept for our model and the result looks truly amazing. I like how the pawn turned out, so I continued the conversation with the agent to create the knight next. It also turned out really well, so I moved on to creating the remaining pieces. The Meshy agent took all of my feedback into account while creating the concepts. Even when I wasn't satisfied with the rook, I only had to write "let the gnome in the tower be more visible", and the Meshy agent improved it. Now all I have to do is write "convert all to the 3D models" and the agent take care of the rest. The models are ready and they came out exactly that I was imagined. Now it's time to download them and get them ready for 3D printing. I import the models into Bamboo Studio and arrange them for a smooth painting process. I will start by coloring the pawn. I think the result looks great, so now it's time to prepare the black version as well. With both versions ready, I duplicated the pawns and arranged them for printing. The pawns are ready to go, so I load the filaments and start the printing process. The pawns came out great, with delicate shapes and clean detailed surface. Now it's time to put them in their places. After the pawns were finished, I repeated the same process for the rest of collection. One by one, every piece came off the printer until the entire chess set was finally complete. What I like the most is that every model shares the same visual style. They really feel like one complete collection rather than a group of unrelated models. Putting everything together for the first time completely changed the look of the chessboard. Compared to my original black and white set, this version feels much more alive. It has its own personality. And the best part is that I didn't need any professional 3D modeling skills to create it. That's what I enjoy most about tools like Meshy. You can start with nothing more an idea and turn it into a real physical object. Whether you're creating game assets, collectibles, prototypes or 3D printable projects like this one, it makes the creative process much more accessible. Now, all that's left to do is play a game. And I have to admit, Checkmate has never looked this good.